Hey guys! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Adobe Illustrator for free on your PC or Mac in just a few simple steps. First, click the link in the description below to head over to Adobe's official website. Once you're there, click the free trial option. Then select the business plan for a 14-day free trial, plenty of time to get a feel for Illustrator and everything it can do. Click Continue, enter your email, and hit Continue again. After that, you'll need to fill out a short form with your personal info and payment details. Don't worry, Adobe won't charge you until the trial period is up, and you can cancel anytime. Once everything's filled out, click Agree and subscribe. Now, create a secure password for your Adobe account, and when that's done, you'll be asked to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Go ahead and install it, then log in using the email you just used. Once Creative Cloud is open, head to the Apps tab, find Adobe Illustrator, and click Install. And just like that, Illustrator is ready to go. Start designing logos, vector art, and graphics like a pro. Plus, you'll have access to all the other cool tools in the Creative Cloud Pro Suite. Make sure to click the link in the description to try Adobe Illustrator and the full Creative Cloud Pro Suite for free today. If this video helped, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more.